watch the video till the end, because it's gonna help all the teachers to have online classes in the upcoming days. So let's start. At this lockdown hour, when students are deprived of their learnings, it's the duty of us teachers to provide lessons to the students. There are samples of apps that help in providing system for schooling through online, but it's also a fact that only 10% of the total population of the world rarely know the use of internet. And as teachers too are not in touch with the kind of knowledge. So here I am suggesting you all to use Google Classroom for conducting online classes, because Google Classroom is one of the most powerful e-learning platforms introduced by Google that you can use to deliver online courses, take online classes, share files, create assignments, and also you can communicate with your student in a paperless way, which will be ideal for teachers and students in general. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit the like buttons, because I know your mind is already changed and you want to switch to the Google Classroom for the better online class for the upcoming days ahead. And also don't forget to subscribe, because my next video will be on how to manage and create class using Google Classroom. And also don't forget to share this video, because sharing this video will help all the teachers to switch to Google Classroom to make their online class better in the upcoming days. So once again, thank you all for watching my videos, and stay safe. God bless you and take care. Bye.